Hi guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. Today I am planning on making 2 spiders if I have the time. The first spider that I'm definitely going to do is going to be a black and a red one. This is what my prototype looks like because I already made one like a year ago. But this is what it's going to look like. So wait to see how I made this. And then the second one, I'm going to make it this color, I'm thinking, and like a black. Like, I have a reference on Google or whatever of a spider that I wanted to create. So this is around the color that it is, and it has some weird pattern on the back. But yeah, let's get to the video.
Okay, here we're starting with the spider body, which is where the red part is on the black widow. So you always start with 8 single crochet in a magic ring, and then you do 8 increase, and then single crochet increase, and then 2, and then 3, and then since it's an oval shape, you are going to do about 7 rounds of single crochet, and then to start bringing that into that oval shape, you go to your 3 single crochet decrease, and then you do a 2 decrease, 1 decrease, and then you do your 1 round of decrease until you close it off. Here we're starting our single crochet rounds, which is where the red starts to come in. Here's the start of the decrease round, as I told you before. Stuff her up! After you do the body, you start with the legs, which here I'm doing 8 different legs. And these you don't have to leave a long string because you're just going to sew it straight into the project anyway. But you start with 8 single crochet in a magic ring, then you go 8 increase, and then you do your rounds of single crochet, which is about 2 or 3. And then you do single crochet decrease, and then you stuff it, fold it flat, and single crochet across. Slay! We are starting the fangs now, which we are making a red color. I like to do the small items first, just so I feel like I'm getting it accomplished quicker, I guess. But you also need the fangs to determine how far apart you need the legs to be when you single crochet it in. But here we are starting with 6 single crochet in a magic ring, and then you do a round of single crochet, and then you slip stitch it and pull out the string. Whoop whoop! Now we are finally starting on the head, which, just like the body, you start with 8 single crochet in a magic ring, then you go 8 increase, and then single crochet increase, 2 single crochet increase, and then in the end you're going to be doing like, it's 3 single crochet going up, and then you do your decreases, which is 3 single crochet decrease, 2, 1, and then your last row. But on the second single crochet that you're doing, you single crochet in each leg, one after the other. You do 2 in each leg. You'll see a demonstration once it comes up. Here's the row starting the single crochet, which is where the legs are starting to come in on the second row single crochet. Single crochet for the legs in, and then single crochet about 10 stitches in between, and then put in the other 4. Here we are starting our decreases. Don't forget to add your 4 eyes. Make sure 2 of the eyes are smaller than the others, and put the smaller ones on the outside of the bigger ones. Fluff them up, and then finish your decreases before you start sewing. I like to start easy details first, which is why I'm starting the fangs next, which you put in between the smaller gap that you have. The hard part is connecting this body and making sure you don't get it slanted in any way, but you just hold it on there and basically just sew all the way around until you reach the end, and then you use your fingers and make sure there's no holes that you missed. And just like that, it's time for the results.
Okay, here are the results, what I like and what I dislike about it. What I like about it is the whole pattern, like especially this one, the lines and everything. I tried to make these match up or whatever, so then it like hit this and went straight into this detail. But I love the colors of this. I almost wish I did this for my prototype. Well, somebody has to humble me because I don't think I have anything I don't like about it. I love these patterns. I love the colors. I love everything about it. I don't think there's anything I would have done differently. But thank you for watching. And these are both to be sold. So look out for that. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.